Hi, I'm Ben.
Hi, I'm Karen.
Hi, I'm Monica.
Hi, I'm Mary.
Hey, I'm Will.
Hello, my name's Ken.
Hi, my name is Rachel. We are Buddy Enterprises, and together we built Borrow a Buddy.
Are you having a stressful week at work?
Feeling lonely after a breakup?
Or just in blues about social distance life?
Research has shown that simply petting a cat or dog lowers levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, and can even increase levels of oxytocin, the feel-good hormone.
Borrow a Buddy is the perfect solution for anyone interested in spending a few hours with an animal for play, companionship, or therapy.
Our goal was to develop an easy-to-navigate app with a friendly and clean user experience. It's simple for the user to navigate through the app and learn about who we are, as well as our mission and values.
It is important to us that both the user and pet safety is the top priority. So we developed a safety guide and code of conduct which protects our users and their pets. On the safety page, we have simple to use accordions that display safety tips in a number of categories, and a separate code of conduct for the user, the pet owner, and the Borrow a Buddy team to follow. In case of emergency, we have also included a page for contact information, as well as outside resources for pet care and adoption.
A user can browse the available pets that they're able to borrow. Pet types vary from traditional pets like cats, dogs, and rabbits, to more exotic animals such as lizards and mini horses. When a user hovers over a particular pet, they are able to see a brief description. A user may also click on a pet to view detailed information of each pet's personality and needs. For each pet, we display a brief description, a picture, energy level, and distinct attributes. We also display any special needs that the pet may have when a user hovers over the pet's image.
From the welcome page, we invite the users to learn a bit about Borrow a Buddy and then create a user profile if they want to get started. When the users get to the profile form, we ask the user for their first and last name. We also ask for our user's age, as we do not allow people below the age of 18 to borrow a pet. We then ask for their email and their city. For further personalization, we ask the user why they would like to borrow a pet, select their preferred type of pet, and if they have any specific needs, such as the pet being good with children or hypoallergenic. We also ask the user to provide a brief description of themselves. Users will then select an avatar to represent them on the app. All of this information then populates onto the user's profile page and recommends pets that best suit them.
On the user's profile, the user can select a recommended pet to review and schedule an appointment directly from that pet's page or through the schedule an appointment button in the app's navigation bar. From the schedule an appointment page, the user can select the pet they want with their appointment with, the date, the time, and the duration of the appointment. When the user submits their appointment, details display of the screen. The user can also add details of the appointment to the calendar below by selecting a specific date and adding information. In addition, the user can also utilize this page to remove appointments from their schedule. A user can return to their profile page to view scheduled appointments.
We kicked off this project in a team mob with test-driven development practices. Then we developed the back end of our app utilizing Java to construct a RESTful API by using an MVC framework with object-oriented programming methodology.
We developed the front end of Borrow a Buddy with a mobile-first approach, a clean and responsive UX design, and a commitment to meeting accessibility standards. We wanted the user to be able to get as much information as possible with as few clicks as possible. We accomplished this on the front end by using JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Timeleaf within the Spring framework. As part of our mobile-first approach, we also wrote media queries to develop a screen-size responsive view. To meet accessibility standards, we included all tags on all images, organized our pages with heading styles, and reviewed color contrast and font sizes.
Our application was built out utilizing IntelliJ IDE and VS Code. Our team utilized GitHub and Git commands to manage the project. We used Agile and Scrum methodologies, conducted daily stand-ups, and met weekly for sprint planning sessions, all within a remote setting. We delegated tasks both individually and in small groups to implement pair programming techniques. To support our team in a remote working environment, we regularly communicated via Slack and Google Meets.
From conception, we wanted Borrow a Buddy to be friendly and interesting. All graphic elements of our app were created by team members. While we remained focused on priority tasks, one of our pie-in-the-sky ideas was to animate our main logo. In the final week, our team met immediate needs and were able to accomplish this stretch goal. One challenge that we faced was the lack of a dedicated server. This posed limitations in our ability to store user information and develop a comprehensive login functionality. However, this also provided an opportunity for growth, as we were able to research and learn about new techniques.
With more time, we would have also liked to implement features to expand the user experience. These include adding pet owners to the site to create a network between owners and borrowers, and adding hashtags to allow the user to filter their pet search outside of recommended pets.
Through the We Can Code It Bootcamp and building the Borrow a Buddy application, we were able to gain real-world experience and build a foundation of soft and technical skills. Information about our development team can be found on the About Buddy Enterprises page. It has been a privilege to present to you today. Thank you for taking the time to listen and learn about Borrow a Buddy.